Good morning and welcome back to SIBO Vol 411. My name is Joe Hawthorne. A quick recap on some trading action from Friday. The most active index options traded on Friday were led by SPX with 2.68 million in option volume. Puts led the charge there with 1.58 million in option volume, followed by calls with 1.1 million in option volume. The VIX came in second with 347,000 in option volume. Calls led the charge in the VIX with 291,000 in volume, followed by puts with 56,000 in volume. Coming in third was XSP with 60,000 in option volume. Puts led the charge there with 41,000 in option volume, followed by calls with 19,000 in option volume. The most active equity options traded on Friday were led again for another week as Tesla with 3.89 million in volume, followed by Nvidia with 1.5 million in volume, and coming in third was Apple with a little over a million in volume. Looking at what's moving around today, let's take a look at SPX. Currently, SPX is sitting at a little over 620,000 in option volume at the moment, led by puts with a little over 349,000 in option volume, followed by calls with 270,000 plus in option volume currently. The VIX, looking at the VIX at the moment right now, we have 196,000 in option volume right now, with calls leading the charge with 178,000 in option volume, followed by puts with only 18,000 in option volume. So being on the lookout there, how the calls and the puts are moving in the VIX currently today. Some notable equity, some notable earnings reports to be on the lookout for this week. We have earnings reporting this week. We're in the teeth of earnings season. We have Cleveland-Cliffs, General Electric, General Motors, Verizon, Google, Microsoft, Visa, AT&T, Boeing, Coca-Cola, Meta, just to name a few. So definitely take a look at your economic calendars to see who's reporting earnings this week. Again, there's a ton of earnings reporting throughout the week. Some economic data to be on the lookout for this week. On Tuesday, we have consumer confidence. On Wednesday, we have new home sales. And very important this week, we have FOMC rate decision. So definitely be on the lookout there. And on Friday, we have PCE prices. My name is Joel Hawthorne, and this has been your SIBO Vol 411 report.